So I'm doing a little bit of maintenance catch up on the old 750. What I'm doing is cam chain tensioner, and I might even have a go at fiddling around with the clutch, which is a bit of an ongoing mess about job. So just for the sake of measurement, I'm proposing to take off the bottom of the airbox. The reason being, I just want to see if there is an adjustment going in, and I can't remember if I adjusted it correctly, as in there's a process. The process being, let me just get around this side of the bike. We get the vehicle side off and we put it into top dead center. Now there is a belief, I won't bore you with all the light on and that, but there is a belief that some people go 15 degrees over. I propose to do it as per the factory, but saying that, it's just over, so probably about 5 degrees over. So I figure anything between 5 and 15 degrees is not going to matter to it. So that's the plan. I'm just going to whiz the airbox off because access is a bit of a bummer, and yeah, it's just give me a chance, and I can tick off these things as part of its sort of 2-year service, if you like, and the airbox can do with a clean. It's got a K&N filter in it, so there's a process for cleaning that and what have you. So I won't bore you with any more of this until I get this actually off. Come back in a second. So once we've got it on top of this centre, we check that we've got clearance on the tappets. I took them both off simply because I knew the exhaust would be an easy one to gauge. It's got a little bit more clearance. There is clearance on there, yeah. So that's on its compression stroke. If you don't hit the compression stroke, in other words, if the tappets aren't free when you measure it up on top dead center, just go around another full turn, 360 degrees, and it should come, so you've got clearance. That one feels somewhat tight, but tappets will be done in due course anyway. Right, let's see if we can get some measurement on this. Thread that in there. Now the airbox is off, we've got plenty of space, of course, and carefully take it out without jogging it. And it's caught, of course. Don't do that. Let's have a look. And 7 millimeters on there. 7 mil. So we'll carry out the adjustment and see if it's moved. So what we need is a 10 mil spanner, which is there. I've already undone the lock nut, so we should be able to. What you can see in there, I doubt it. Back it off nicely and see if there's any movement on it. Obviously a digital one would be better because you get a slightly better, more precise reading. Stick it out a bit and then we can just slide into it. Perfect. Gently, 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 gently. Well, that's gone just over, so it's gone a little bit in. It was about, well, I'm going to say 6.5 before, 6.5. It's now at just over 7, so it's taken a little bit up. So that's good news. At least we know we've done something. Now we gotta mischief in me says it'd be good. Well, it shows you it wasn't loose anyway. Let's whiz it up with my fingers. Put that one back out. Whiz it up with my fingers a bit. Nip it up. And nip up the locking bolt. Oh, come along. There. Right. That's nipped up. That's that job done. Good. So, go back and check just so you haven't done something stupid. 1, 2. Good and tight. It's all in need of a bit of a sparkle up, isn't it? Rotten. But then this one is not the showy bike. Right,